This is Eric Ackman from Motors and Drive's final project, and in this project we used a servo motor, a ClearPath servo motor, to build ourselves a camera slider with a gimbal. So first off, we tuned the servo motor using the program, the MSP for ClearPath. So that got us our tuning parameters, and that was once we built kind of the whole rig setup. And what controls it is an Arduino, and then we got all our wires connected out of the motor, and then these are button motors with little lights indicating when the buttons are pressed. So with this setup, we had to mount the rails, get everything straight. We had to remount the motor because this motor wasn't designed for this. So we got our motor mounted, and then we 3D printed this piece, and it slides in these rails and pinches our belt. And then we got our base for the gimbal. So that is our setup for it. If we come over here, this is the code that we written out. The code that we written to control the program. So right now it is running. Once you hit a limit switch, that chooses the direction that it starts going, and then once it gets to the very end, it's going to hit the limit switch, and then it's going to proceed the next direction, and it will just keep going back and forth at the speed that we set it at. And if you go over to here on the phone, you can see the camera recording the video as it's moving. In the next clip coming up, we set it up along the factory line to get some cinematic footage using the camera slider.